Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a punch-in and punch-out timesheet using Google Forms. This is a simple and effective way to track employee work hours without needing expensive software or complicated systems. Whether you manage a small business, supervise a remote team, run freelance projects, or simply want a clean way to record work hours, Google Forms can help you create a lightweight time tracking system that's easy to share and manage. The best part is that all submissions automatically collect inside Google Sheets, making it easy to review attendance, calculate hours, and keep organized records. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Once Google Drive loads, look toward the upper left corner of the screen and click the New button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Hover over Google Forms and then select Blank Form to create a brand new form from scratch. This form will act as your punch-in and punch-out timesheet. Now that the blank form is open, the first thing you should do is give your form a title. You can name it something simple like Employee Timesheet, Daily Punch Form, or Staff Clock In and Out Form. Adding a clear title helps employees immediately understand the purpose of the form. You can also add a short description underneath explaining how employees should complete it. For example, you might ask them to submit the form at the beginning and end of every shift. Next, let's begin creating the important fields. Start by adding a name field. Click the plus icon on the right side of the form to add a new question. Change the question type to short answer and label it Employee Name. This allows each submission to be connected to the correct employee. Now add another field for the date. Google Forms includes a date question type, which makes this very easy. Label the field Work Date or Shift Date. After that, create a Start Time field. Click the plus icon again, change the question type to time, and label it Punch-In Time or Start Time. Then repeat the same process to create an End Time or Punch-Out Time field. Using the time question type keeps entries consistent and prevents formatting mistakes. Now let's make the form even more useful. Add another question for Hour type. Change the question type to drop-down or multiple choice and include options such as regular hours, overtime, vacation, sick leave, holiday, or unpaid leave. This helps categorize work hours properly and makes reporting easier later. To improve accuracy, you can also add a confirmation checkbox near the bottom of the form. For example, you could write, "I confirm that the information entered is accurate to the best of my knowledge." This adds an extra layer of accountability for submissions. Another very important step is making key fields required. Toggle the required option on for key questions like employee name, date, and start and end times. This prevents incomplete forms from being submitted. Now here are a few helpful tips to make your system work smoothly. If possible, give each employee their own dedicated form link or ask them to always use the same form consistently. You should also review submissions regularly to catch mistakes early and keep records accurate. Another great feature is connecting your form directly to Google Sheets. At the top of the form, click the Responses tab and then click the green Sheets icon. Google Forms will automatically create a spreadsheet where every response is stored in rows and columns. This makes it extremely easy to calculate hours, review attendance, and organize payroll information. Once your form is complete, click the Send button in the top right corner. From here, you can email the form directly to employees or copy the shareable link and distribute it through chat, email, or internal systems. Employees can then submit their punch-in and punch-out times daily or weekly depending on your workflow. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can create a fully functional punch-in and punch-out system using Google Forms quickly and efficiently without needing specialized software. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, feel free to share it with others who might be looking for an easy way to track work hours and attendance. See you in the next video.